This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Keller. Large 1,558 square feet upstairs and unit offered turnkey, nicely furnished. This 2-bedroom plus den/2-bath condo has an excellent floor plan with large kitchen and high ceilings. Enjoy lake view from your screened lanai. Great location at the end of the street. Upgraded with granite counters in kitchen and both baths. Newer stainless steel appliances in kitchen. Accordion storm shutters for all windows. This unit has an assigned carport space and exterior storage closet. Comes with social membership, which provides access to all community amenities including pay-as-you-play golf. Colonial Country Club offers 18 holes of championship golf, clubhouse with dining, resort-style pools, fitness center, tennis, pickleball, bocce, miles of walking trails and more. This community is highly desired for its high-quality amenities, moderate HOA fees and convenient location near restaurants, shopping, the airport and I-75. Impressive unit. For more information, review the details below.